Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. So many of you lovelies requested this video, so welcome to our anti-aging Gua Sha facial massage for sagging jowls, marionette lines, and smile lines. Look younger than your age naturally. Let's begin. First, prep your clean skin with your favorite facial oil, serum, moisturizer, or cream. With a clean Gua Sha tool, we're going to do 2 swipes per section. We're going to use this edge of your Gua Sha tool to release our chin, our mouth, our cheek, and our masseter muscles for better results. Like this. Releasing our muscles and our fascia here. Release. Now we'll use the hard edge, like so. You can do this throughout the day as needed to release tension. Release. We'll do the other side, going back to this edge of your Gua Sha tool, like this. Release. We'll use the hard edge. Release. Now we're going to use this edge of your Gua Sha tool to work on our marionette lines here. This is the center. We're going to go a little bit further than the center, like this, and sweep up and outwards and wiggle at the edge here. One more, like this, working on our marionette lines, like this. Release. We'll do the other side, same thing, like this, a little bit further from the center, like so. Wiggle at the edge. One more, like this, wiggle at the edge. Release. Now we're going to use that same edge to work on our smile lines here, like this, holding for leverage like this, and sweep upwards, like so. One more, like this, sweeping upwards. Release. We'll do the other side. Same thing here, like this, sweeping upwards and outwards. One more, like this. Release. Now we're going to place the tool diagonally like this, like so, and sweep up, like so. Wiggle at the edge. One more, like this. Release. Switch. We'll do the other side. Same thing here, diagonally, like so. Wiggle at the edge. One more. So wiggle at the edge. Release. Now we're going to do a nice cheek lift here, using the hard edge starting from your jawline like this, the inner layer, like so. One more. The outer layer, like this. That's one. That's two. Release. Switch. We'll do the other side, like this, the inner layer. Lifting your cheeks. One more. Release. We'll do the outer layer here, from your jawline, like this, lifting up. One more. Release. Now we're going to use the tool like this edge, for an ultimate facelift. Like this, the inner layer here from your jawline, like this, lifting up, and then sweep upwards like so. One more, like this, sweeping it up and outwards like so. And now we'll do the outer layer, same thing, like this. Lifting up. One more. Like so. Release. Now we'll do the other side. Same thing, using the tool, this side here, starting from your jawline, like this, the inner layer, and sweeping up like so. One more, like this, like so. Release. We'll do the outer layer, same thing, like this. Sweep all the way up, like so, like this. Release. Now we're going to do a bonus Gua Sha massage exercise. We're going to purse our lips together, lift to one side, sweep twice, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side twice as well. Like this. Release. We'll do the other side. Release. Now we're going to lift up with our hands from your jawline like this and sweep upwards like so, all the way up, and hold for a few seconds here. Release. We'll do one more, like so. Coming back to your posture here. And release. Roll your shoulders back and down a few times here. Coming back to your posture, your breath. Release. Awesome job, you did great. Do this 1 to 2 times per day for 7 days and you will notice positive changes. Others will notice too. As always, consistency equals results. You will see even more results when you enjoy yourself while doing this. Here's my #1 tip to prevent jowls, marionette lines, and smile lines. Throughout the day, keep a nice, gentle, relaxed smile on your face, like this. If you droop down your lip corners, this will deepen the jowls, the marionette lines, and smile lines with the additional downward effects of gravity. So make sure to keep a gentle, relaxed upper smile on your face throughout the day. This will also help you look and feel better. If you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join our membership. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have any video requests or questions, let me know in the comments below. You can find all of my current favorite products, including our merch, in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and following along. Take care, my beautiful Lémore lovelies.